The economic crisis has the phone lines ringing off the hook at an information and referral service. It's 211, and it directs people to social service agencies who are ready to help. But as KOIN Local 6 reporter Carly Kennelly shows us now, some Oregonians are having a tough time getting through.
Cindy Rhodes is unemployed and wishes she had known about 211 a lot sooner.
It's just another lead. It's another possibility. It's another network opportunity.
But enough people know about the center is looking for financial help from both the state and federal levels to keep the phones ringing off the hook.
Information and referral.
The regional center is looking for financial help from both the state and federal levels. The branch of 211 can't keep up with the record number of calls it now receives. There's only enough funding for 8 people to answer the phones on a typical shift.
We're experiencing increased call volume and extended wait time.
More than 34,000 calls went unanswered last year because people didn't want to stay on hold.
When we created our budgets and kind of planned for this year, we didn't know that our call volume was going to jump 30–40%.
And that's a 3-bedroom, 995.
The nonprofit call center is looking for financial help from both the state and federal levels.
One person missing from the office this week is the executive director. She's in Washington, D.C. lobbying for a Senate bill.
Our director and 211 supporters are really looking to the federal government to step up and say, you know, there's more and more people in need who are looking for help, and 211 is a pivotal, critical tool to making that connection for people.
So that number is 503-823.
Carly Kennelly, KOIN Local 6.
Thank you, Carly. And if you cannot get through to 211 right away, you can find a social service agency directory listed on that nonprofit's website. And to see it, just go to our website, koinlocal6.com, and click on Hot Links. The system has just started in Central Oregon, that 211 system. The residents there will now be able to call 211 to locate emergency shelter, rental assistance, and counseling services. And the phones, they say, are already busy.
A lot of people have never had to ask for help before, so they really don't have any idea where to turn or where to start. So the call center is getting more of those calls.
And the Central Oregon Call Center is open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.